Most of these teachers sitting here, the subject they teach, they have distinction. I'm one of the testimony. The 2 subjects I teach, I have distinction. I can take it to engineering and I will be accepted and pay for myself and cross. But I am not looking at these teachers crossing. I'm looking at these teachers, the future of the children. What are we going to leave in the education sector? Because if we take one sector of scientists, which are product of science teachers, to 4 million and 3 million respective, and we leave this graduate science teacher at 1.2, then the students we are teaching is going to despise teaching science, and they will struggle because they know even if I just go for a certificate, I will earn better. So we want that equity so that we save the nation, we save the future of the education. And if we are looking at having an economy which is anchored on science and technology, we need to support the teaching of science and to make sure the welfare of those who teach science is well catered for. So, in that regards, therefore, basing on the above, the National Executive Council of Uganda Professional Science Teachers Union have resolved to halt this industrial action up to 13th June 2022 to allow government resolve our grievances fully, as discussion is still undergoing in cabinet. We are told that it will be concluded on Monday, so 13th is still, we have given a good gap because Monday is just a few days. I hope we will have got a substantive answer from government. So we have halted this industrial action.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.